So you've been hearing stuff like, hey, I bought this in extended hours trading. And you're like, what?
Say what?
Hi, I'm Karim. I'm the former investment director at the Oxford Club, and now I'm the co-founder and head fundamental trade tactician in the War Room. So what is extended hours trading? Extended hours trading, one, is where you can lose your okay? You can get creamed in extended hours trading.
Oh.
Or you can make a lot of money. It depends on what you're looking at, right? So before the market opens, for a couple of hours, some places 4 hours, some places 4 in the morning, okay? Some brokers allow you to trade at 4 in the morning. There's this market. It's like a secret market of people buying and selling stocks. Okay? You can't do options, but you can do stocks. And only certain stocks, these ones that are pretty liquid, that trade during extended hours. And they have huge spreads. Like, what are huge spreads? Well, like a normal stock trades at $20 by $20.01. In extended hours, you might see $20 by $25, right? So you can guess someone's going to be a sucker in that trade, right? So people get news. AT&T just signed a massive deal, and this was announced at 6:30 in the morning. And you're like, damn, AT&T is going to go up on this news. I wish the market was open now. But it's not. But it is, okay? That's extended hours trading. So you go into the extended hours trading in your brokerage account, you pull up your trade, and it'll say extended hours AM, extended hours PM, okay? And you look at the quote, where it's trading right now. And it'll say AT&T is trading at $20 by $23. And you're like, AT&T closed yesterday at 20 bucks. But if I want to buy the stock right now, I got to pay 23 bucks because of that good news. It must be a steal. So you click on $23 and you pay $3 more than the guy paid yesterday. Okay. Is it a good thing or is it a bad thing? Well, you won't know until the market opens. So let's say the market opens at 9:30 and AT&T opens at $20.02. What? I just lost $2.98 because I bought shares because I thought it was going to go to the moon in extended hours trading. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. Okay. So if you want to trade extended hours, here's what you got to do. First, you've got to decide what you think the trade is worth, what the shares are worth. You can't just go by what it's trading for, okay? What's it worth? So let's say you look at it and you're saying, all right, so this is really good news for AT&T. I don't like this $20 by $23 spread. Maybe I'll put an order in at $20.25, 20.25 limit price, good for the extended hours session. You know what? You're probably going to get filled. Because if the guy other side is selling it saying, okay, this is good news, but it's not great news, I'll sell it to him for 25 cents more than it was trading for yesterday. But that's what you got to do. So in extended hours trading, it's really, really critical. You've got to use limit prices. Okay. Do not take the offer price ever, unless there's only like a 1 cent spread. You've got to use your price. Really critical. And the same thing applies for after hours trading. 4 o'clock the market closed, right? So at 4:01, okay, NVidia comes out with news. They've got a chip that costs nothing, and they're giving it away because they want to be good to humanity. Well, NVIDIA's share price is about to plunge, and you own NVIDIA in your account, and you're like, holy cow, my NVIDIA stock is plunging, and I'm not going to be able to get out until tomorrow. Not true. You can get out in extended hours trading after the market. So if one of your stocks is plunging, there's really bad news, and you want to get out because you want to get some sleep that night, you go into extended hours PM trading and you put a sell order in using a limit of where you want to get out. So anyway, it's critical to know that the market trades before 9:30 and after 4 p.m., sometimes for hours. I can see in the next 5 years, you're going to have a 24-hour market. Extended hours trading is really popular during earnings season because stocks come out with numbers. They go nuts, they go up, they go down. You still don't know where it's going to open, but at least you have a chance if you want to get in or get out, especially get out. If you're holding a stock that you paid 10 bucks for in the regular market session and the company comes out with great numbers, the stock goes to $17 a share and you're like, this is nuts. Here you get the chance to sell it because chances are the next morning it's going to open at $10.20 and you're like, hey, I just made an extra $7 getting out of it in extended hours trading. So if you want to know more about trades like this and extended hours trading, and you want my next top 5 picks, click on that link below. I'm Karim for Trade Talk Tuesday.